Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks, we will understand how to create a fresh new part in the SolidWorks assembly, and also we will see the future driven pattern. This one, let's start. File, new, assembly, and OK it. Okay, I am cancelling this thing. From here I am browsing. Same window will come, you'll see. I am selecting this plate for assembly. Okay. This is a first plate. I am selecting this view origin. Again, go in the view head-up tool, this one, and drag. I want to bring the origin of the assembly at the part of the assembly. Now the part of origin and the assembly origin are coinciding. Okay. Again, view head up and hide this one. This is a part we have. Now I want to create a fresh new part in the assembly. Okay. How? Insert component, there is a new part. This option. Click this. This new part comes here. Okay. Now I am selecting this face, okay, backward, okay, and sketch. I am convert entity. This one, convert entity. I am selecting this lower portion. This one, convert entity, and okay, it converted. Now in future, I am extruding this thing. For example, I extrude it up to 60 mm. This one, from bottom. This is going downward. I am reversing direction from here. This one. This part is created. So this is a fresh part is created. This one. And I am out of the sketch. This is a fresh part of the created. I in this one. You will see this part is created. This one. This one. Boss extrude. If you click this one. Okay, but you will see in the part there is this symbol comes here. Where is my cursor? You will see this is upward arrow. This is the up arrow key type symbol you are seeing here. Okay, this part which I have created, that is embedded in the assembly, this SolidWorks assembly. Okay, how I can save it? I can save it. Right click on this one. Save part in external file. If I save part in external file, you will see the new window comes here. Okay, you can change the name of the part, specify, you can change the different path, and okay it. You will see the up arrow key, this symbol disappears from. Okay, now again, if you want to embed in the assembly, then you can make it virtual and okay it. Now it is again embedded in the assembly. So in this way, but advantage of the, I will later on, I will tell you what is the advantage of this, how plain white I this one and unit system. What is the advantage of making new part in the assembly here? First, I am discussing the future driven pattern. Number 1, this one linear pattern, the pattern driven component pattern I am used. I am selecting insert component and I am selecting this 12 mm pin, this one, and select this one. This window comes, you can rotate it as per requirement about x-axis, y-axis, but I am not rotating, and this one. Okay, I am clicking in the graphic area. Matte, this one, this, and any hole, click. This is the concentric relation. Okay. Now again, this one, this bottom surface, and this one. This is coincidence relation. This one is. Okay. Now I want to make a this one. This. Use this pattern driven component pattern. I want to use this one. Pattern driven this one. component to pattern, I am selecting this component. Okay, driving feature or component, driving feature, I am selecting this one. This delete this one, this one, and this feature. These are the features. This is the component. I am selecting this feature. You will see the whatever in all features the same component is established. Okay, if skipped by instances, to skip, suppose you want to skip any component, suppose this pink dotted pink appears, then you click it and this disappears from here. Okay, and this hit the right button. In this way you can make the future driven component pattern. This pattern driven component pattern you can use it. Okay, now I have created this part. This part is embedded in this one. Okay, what is the advantage? Suppose this is the plate, and plate, this is the boss cut extrude, this is the sketch, this one. I am editing this sketch. Save and continue. Okay, I am saving assembly for save this one, and okay, save internally this one. Okay, if I change this dia, suppose I make it 25, this one, and this, okay, and okay. You will see I am changing this one. Evaluate, measure, and this one. 25 mm dia. I am changing the dia of the plate, and consequently the dia of the cylinder also changes. This is 25 mm also changes. In this way, this is the advantage of making the part in the assembly. If I change this dia, that accordingly the dia of the cylinder also changes. I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. You please like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.